Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how I take care of my brushes. This video is a little different, but I hope that you love it much as I do, because this is my favorite items and products at the moment. But of course you can use what you have at home, or you can get some with my coupon code, which I'm gonna list down below for you guys. And that's it, so let's get started. So the first thing that I want to mention for you guys, I love to work with clean brushes always, because I don't like to grow bacteria in these brushes. So I always use my brush and keep it clean. So once I use it, I go and wash it. Yes, I wash it. And it's very hard for me to use this spray that you can clean up your brushes really fast and then you can reuse this, because I prefer to wash all my brushes all the time that I use it. So if I'm working with clients, this is the best. So at the moment I'm using so much this product by Sigma. This is a liquid coconut shampoo and this is a foam version. I love this product so much, but of course you can use what you have at home. So you can use a baby shampoo if this is what you have, no problem. I also love to clean up my brushes using this little glove right here, because I have these textures, so I can clean up really well the brushes. As you can see, the texture really helps to clean up your brushes. So this is what I love to use. And I also like to clean up my brushes using this little cleaning matte brush by Sigma. This is so good, really, because you can stick it wherever you want and then you can clean up your brushes, because you have all of the texture here. And I'm gonna show you how to do it in this video using this cleaning mat. And also I like to use this one so much because, as you can see, I can put the brushes here to dry and all the bristles will be so straight in the place, so it is good as new. And I also have to clean up these little areas right here with the texture as well, so I remove these pieces and just clean up the brushes here in the middle. And when I want to dry the brushes, I just put everything together again and then I can just place the brushes here. So that's it. I'm gonna just show you how I clean up my brushes, and I hope that you like it. As I mentioned before, you can use what you have at home. You can use a little bit of baby shampoo, you can use a little bit of conditioner if you want in the natural bristles of your brushes. You decide the way to go. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for your suggestion. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you later in the next tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you still didn't hit the notification bell, and like this video if you did. Bye!